The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be tremendously powerful, largely due to the inclusion of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This processor delivers true laptop-level performance, but the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 can raise the bar even further. According to leaker Digital Chat Station via Notebook Check, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is expected to be at least 20% more powerful than its predecessor while maintaining impressive energy efficiency. Though we can't confirm which devices will feature this chipset yet, it's almost certain that the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and likely the rest of the Galaxy S26 series in some regions will utilize it. Beyond Samsung, many other flagship Android smartphones slated for 2026 are also likely to adopt this chipset. However, this enhanced performance may come at a cost. Leaker Jukin Losriv suggests that Qualcomm plans to significantly increase the price of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, mirroring this year's price hike for the first-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite. If these reports are accurate, consumers could face at least 2 consecutive years of smartphone price increases, starting with the Galaxy S25 and extending to the Galaxy S26 and other high-end devices. The first-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite already raised manufacturing costs for phone makers, potentially contributing to higher retail prices for flagship models. If the trend continues with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, it could make next-generation devices more expensive. While these leaks paint a picture of both exciting advancements and potential cost implications, it's worth remembering that this information is still preliminary. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is almost a year away from release, leaving ample time for plans to shift. For now, these details should be taken with a pinch of salt as we await further updates. Less than 2 months before launch, a European website has revealed the key specs of the Galaxy S25 series and provided details about one of the seemingly planned pre-order promotions. Interestingly, the leak contradicts earlier rumors suggesting a price hike for the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. While we remain a bit skeptical about the accuracy of this information, the Greek website Techmaniacs claimed to have received it from a very reliable source. According to their report, Samsung is bringing back the storage doubling pre-order deal for the Galaxy S24 successors. This means buyers who pre-order a base model with 256 GB storage will receive a 512 GB version at no extra cost. Contrary to previous rumors of higher price points, the leakers insist that the Galaxy S25 series will be priced the same as the Galaxy S24 lineup, despite increased production costs. If true, this would be great news for buyers. The website also confirms several specs, though many were already hinted at in earlier leaks. According to these reports, all European Galaxy S25 models will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The base model will come with 12 GB RAM, an upgrade from 8 GB in its predecessor. Camera technology will see minimal updates, with the only notable addition being a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor on the Ultra model. Battery sizes, charging speeds, and display specifications are expected to remain the same as the Galaxy S24 series. While these details are exciting, we'll have to wait until the official launch for confirmation. Are you looking forward to the Galaxy S25 series? I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.